Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a treatment that you want to consider doing it on your hair once a week to stop breakage and to help your hair grow like crazy. So if you're interested to see how I come up with this, then you should watch this video to the end, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to be using this my clean sterilized bowl to mix all my ingredients in it, and the first ingredients that I'm going to be using is going to be eggs. I'm using 2 eggs. You can use 3 or 1. It all depend on the thickness of your hair. And the next thing that I'm going to be adding is going to be my olive oil. So I actually did add in 3 tablespoons of my olive oil. And the next one is going to be my deep treatment conditioner. So you want to add in any conditioner of your choice. I'm using olive oil deep treatment conditioner. So after adding everything up, I'm just going to give it a nice stir until everything is combined together. Applying eggs on your hair is going to help your hair, especially applying the eggs directly to your root. It helps to infuse hair follicles with much needed vitamin and minerals, which nourishes the scalps, encourages new hair to grow stronger and be less prone to breakage or shedding. And adding it with olive oil. Olive oil adds shines to your hair and soften the hair and straighten hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preventing moisture as well. So that's why I said mix these two and add in your deep treatment conditioner. So after that, I did add in 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and castor oil as well help your hair. It lubricates the hair shaft, increasing flexibility, and it decreases the chances of breaking your hair. So castor oil have some great benefits, and it help with dandruff as well, commonly known as scalp condition. So you want to mix all this together and mix all of them very well. And now I'm going to set this aside and do the next thing that I'm going to be adding into my hair as well. The next ingredients that I'm going to be using is going to be my onions. So this is 1 onions that I cut, divided it into 2. So you can actually use just one side, but I wanted to use the both side because I wanted the most juice from the onions. So I'm going to be using the whole onions. So I cut everything, and now I'm just going to put it into my blender. So after putting it in my blender, I'm going to put in my carrier oil, which is going to be sunflower oil. So for the sunflower oil, I did add in 2 tablespoons of my sunflower oil, and now I'm just going to blend it onto a paste. Using onions on your hair is going to help your scalp, like it prevents extra surface to support stronger and thicker hair, and it prevents hair loss and promoting hair growth. And for the carrier oil that I really love, which is sunflower oil, it has some anti-inflammatory properties, and it helps to calm dandruff and relieve itchy scalp. And some people say that their hair feel more hydrated after using sunflower oil, and it may help the hair hold into moisture. So sunflower oil is lightweight, which is very good for low porosity hair. So after blending everything together, I went ahead to just like pour it into my stocking cap. That's what I'm going to be using. So I did put a little bit of water just to rinse out the remains of the onions into my blender. And now I'm just going to like squeeze everything out. I want the juice to like really come out, so you want to squeeze. I'm going to squeeze it, and some pulp is gonna come out, but after squeezing everything together, I'm going to use again my sifter to sift all the remaining pulp that came out from the stocking cap. straining everything out, now I'm going to like put it into this my applicator bottle. This is very easy for me to apply this treatment on my hair because it have the small lid, and it's very easy for me to apply on my hair. So right now I'm gonna go ahead to show you how I apply this treatment on my hair and how you should apply it on your hair. I did wash my hair the previous night, and I didn't apply anything on my hair because I know I'm going to be doing my hair treatment the next day. So I don't like to sleep with any sort of treatment on my hair. You can do a pre-pulled and sleep with it, but I don't like to sleep with any sort of treatment on my hair. I prefer to like do it in the morning and carry the whole day and wash my hair in the evening. I usually do my hair treatment mostly the days that I know that is my laundry day, the day that I'm going to be cleaning my house, so that way I'm going to be going up and down and just that thing will be cooking on my hair, and I'll later on go and wash it. So some people do it overnight and sleep with it. I don't like it. I don't think it's right, but it all depends on you what you want to do with your hair. So make sure you are really applying that into your hair. It's not going to be damp, it's supposed to be wet. So you want to really work it into your hair. Make sure it's touching your scalp very well. Yeah, I'm massaging it like the way I'm doing, and you can see I have my problem ends, which is my edges. My edges is what I've been fighting for the longest time, guys, and it's really growing. I can see much improvement on my hair, and I'm trying to avoid hairstyles that are going to be breaking my hair instead of growing my hair. So I'm going to be applying now my egg treatment on my hair the same way that I did apply the onion water. So you want to make sure your egg is saturated on your hair. Make sure everywhere is like completely saturated. You want to put everything in your hair and really work it in, guys. Massage your hair with this. And guys, if you want like a good result, make sure you're doing your hair treatment like once a week or once in 2 weeks, or at least one time in a month. So I try as much to do it, but not like every day, guys. You don't want to do hair treatment like every day. You're gonna have product overload and your hair is going to break. So you want to do like once a week or once in 2 weeks or once in a month. So it depends on your schedule. If you have a busy schedule and if you wash your hair like once a month, you should try to like do your hair treatment like once a month. So I try to always do it each time I wash my hair. So it just depends how long you go for before you wash your hair. So you want to apply that like the way I'm doing. I'm going to like pour everything into my hair. It's going to be completely wet, and I'm going to massage it thoroughly. If you've watched my video up to this level, thank you for supporting me. Your girl is so grateful. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. So now I'm going to use my comb to comb my hair out. You can use your detangler brush like this one, but I love to use the comb instead. I feel like it's much easier, so I love to use the comb instead. So I'm going to comb my hair well, and after I comb my hair, guys, I'm going to be using the plastic bag and wrapping my hair in, and After wrapping it, I'm going to put on the bonnet, the hair bonnet as well on it. That way it's going to protect my hair for any running stuff not to fall on me, since I'm going to be having it for some time. So the bonnet have this material that is going to protect and soak every liquid that is going to be coming out from my hair, so that way I'm not going to be having nothing on my body while I'm carrying my treatment on my hair. But when you just wrap it with the plastic bag, it's going to be dripping water. So when you put your plastic bag, if you have like anything like a head scarf, you want to tie it on it. That way it's going to be soaking the water that is going to be coming out from your hair. You can see how soft my hair is, and you can see all the coils, like how good this thing is. So guys, make sure you're doing this on your hair. Thank you all for watching my videos, and don't forget to leave me down your comments on any style that you love to see me do on my channel. Give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.